Alright guys, welcome back to Home on Hitch.
Sorry, we don't have a new video for you this week because we have a lot of exciting things going on.
That's right.
Behind the scenes.
Yep. We're getting ready for the Hootenanny that comes up next week, and that's taking a lot of time to get everything in place for that. So we just haven't had the time to, I haven't had the time to get everything edited and put together. So there's not going to be a video this week. This is it. Along with, we've had some truck issues, but more on that later. But thanks for being here anyway. Make sure you give us a thumbs up,
like and subscribe.
Yep.
Make sure that you are subscribing to our channel so that you don't miss anything coming up in the future.
Absolutely. So stick around. New video coming up next week. Sorry about this bye week, but sometimes life just happens when you're living the RV lifestyle. So but we will leave you here at the end with a couple of videos in case you haven't seen these. Go back and watch them. They're really cool. And give us a thumbs up and subscribe.
Leave us a comment. Let us know what you think.
See you next time, guys.
Bye.
Bye.